I'm sure you search on the internet for answers to the dreaded question, how do I start my own business? Well, the good news is it's not impossible. Frankly, it's rather easy. However, what is hard though is staying in business and navigating all the nuances of running a business. And personally, I hate it, but there's one thing that has made my life so much easier, and that's why I'm here today, to tell you about Jobber, an amazing system that can help you automate, manage, and organize so that you can significantly increase your chances of running a successful business. One of my favorite features to do just so is the streamlined quoting. You simply create a quote online using the website or your mobile device, enter in all the necessary information, send it over to your client via email or text. They approve it, you schedule it, you do the work, they sign off, and then you're paid. Done. This easy process prevents you from having to do so much paperwork while you're at your office. So if you're curious about how software can give you more freedom, be sure to check the link in my bio where you can start your own free trial and learn more about Jobber today.